So, if you like what you see, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And click on that bell thing so you know when another video comes out, you'll get an email. Yeah. Now as I put a pipe, a little wedge, who knows? Okay, so one more. So I've been commissioned to do another project, and this time they want it 3 feet long, which is too long. This represents 2 feet right there. So we get a little bit on one end, we got a little bit on the other end, and they want to welcome. I skipped the part where I cut this on the sawmill. And I skipped the part where I planed it in surface planer because you're probably all sick of seeing that. So figure we just clamp it down. I got it fairly straight. I've got a center line here off to the edge. And I've got my program running. I ran my test that far above the thing to see if I hit the clamps. And I seem to be in good shape, so I'm going to run it. So if you like what you see, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and click on that bell thing so you know when another video comes out, you'll get an email. Yeah.
You